Means magic.
Do you make this drink? You make it?
Yeah,
I think he's pretty proud of this drink. Makes it himself.
The
rain. It's nice to have a roof over our head. Thank you. A beautiful view out here. Very beautiful view.
Salam.
Since the only thing we really know how to properly communicate is salam, which is basically hi. So we're saying hi, and then we said hi as kind of thank you. And I think he's just sort of laughing along because he doesn't know what to say to us because he can't say anything.
Sabah.
Maybe you gotta look up Sabah now.
We keep hearing Sabah, but I'm not still quite sure what it means. The climb?
Yes.
Up here? You must be very strong man.
فتحهم دنيركم دحنا مسيحهم إذا أنا ده مسيحهم إذا أنا تريدكم دنيركم لا تريدكم فتحهم.
I don't know if we're going to be able to get down. No get down. We'll be okay? It's okay.
Yeah, we really gotta find out what he's saying because he just put everybody to stitches right now.
We're gonna have to pray our way out of this one. I'm gonna sleep here tonight.
Never move in with him.
سبعين سميت المتيم تسميت على تحتي نيرة زي سبعين بزي عشرة يديبوني سحب عاد دعال كندي كن كفلو نزي خندك خو يلوا 50 قرش دخنوا يلوا نو 100 قرش هندر بس زي كله طرات من يصوروا زي كله طرات من يصوروا إلا